Dreams and vision within the minds of nobles. Facing a chance to live and grow. Man and man with wisdom and honor, ruled by the society. And singing victory's praises, the local protect mystically. A place where you and I belong, only for alma mater. Once realized, group was every heart, mother embrace for all. Light and training, shining armor, guiding instead of searching gold. We're singing victorious praises. We love the circle that mystically. One place where you and I belong. Only for alma mater. Black as deep and lion mind. Can see all in the heart. To share wherever we are. Oh, they their heart. Lord, smile in the moment. To sing, we will shine. We're singing victorious praises. The local protect mystically. A place where you and I belong. Only for alma mater. Only for alma mater. Only for SPSC. Good day, everyone. I would like to present our BMGO in ISPSC. Our first is one is vision. UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive, and responsive state university. Our mission naman is UIP is committed to producing globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. For development goals, onwards UIP. O is optimize institutional quality and reputation. N is nurture excellence in academic and services. W naman is widen research, develop and innovation programs. A naman is advance responsive extension services and vibrant external linkages. And R naman is revitalize capacity of resource management and generation. D is develop capability and competence of human resources. S naman is sustain ethical leadership and good governance. U is underscore advocacies of sustainable development. I is intensify internationalization initiatives. P is promote modernization of physical and digital infrastructure. Our core values. Impetus. Letter I is innovativeness. We think and work strategically and creatively to keep upgrading our program and services and generate new knowledge and skill. Motivation naman is M. We are deeply driven toward selfness, service to our client, be productive in the workplace, and be focused on achieving our goal. P is professionalism. We act competence, integrity, honesty, and empathy, accord others respect, and always abide by high professional standard. Excellence. We commit to demonstrating our best performance in delivering our program and services to yield quality outcome. T. Transparency and accountability. We make our transaction open and known. Our concern are responsible and accountable of our decision, action, and output. Unity and teamwork is letter U. We belong to one synergistic team combining our diverse skill and perspective and collaborating with other stakeholders to attain greater result. S naman is sustainability. We remain relevant, responsive, adaptable, and resilient in times of change and uncertainties toward a sustainable future.